Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual environment in your Django project using the venv module in Python 3. To get you started, I'm going to make a directory. Let's make one. Make dir, let's say env project. So if I ls, you'll see that we have a folder there. So I'm going to cd into that folder env project. So from there I'm going to create my virtual environment. So I'm going to do Python3-venv. M means module, and the module we are going to use is venv, and we're going to call our virtual environment this environment. Okay, I think our environment has been created. Let's see. I'm going to ls. You can see this environment. So that is our virtual environment. So if it doesn't work for you, and if you are on Ubuntu, you need to install a package called Python3-venv. To do that, you need to do sudo apt install Python3-venv. So I'm using Fedora, and I think it comes built in. So I'm going to open this my environment project in VS Code. So to do that, I'm just going to do code space dot and click enter. This should open our VS Code. So let me zoom in. So let me open the terminal in VS Code. I have done some customization to my terminal, so if I activate my environment, you won't notice. So I'm going to change to a new bash so that you can notice that. So we are in our project folder. You can see our virtual environment folder is here. So the next thing is to activate our virtual environment. Before we use it, you need to activate it. So to activate our virtual environment, you will do source, then the folder of the name of your virtual environment, how you named it. So mine is this -env. So I'm going to say this _env. Then inside we have a folder called bin. If I open it, you can see bin, the folder is here. So, and then from there we're going to run a script inside it called activate inside the bin here, this. So activate. So to know that your virtual environment is activated, you need to see this the name of the virtual environment in parentheses before the terminal prompt. So like mine, you can see in bracket this env. So for that, now we have activated our virtual environment, and you can go ahead and create your Django project and continue coding. So for the demo, I'm going to create a Django project for you guys to see. Before we create a project, we need to install a Django in our virtual environment for our project. So to do that, you need to use pip. So I'm going to do pip install Django. So let's wait for it to install. You can see our Django 3.2 is installing. We have installed Django in our virtual environment, so we can create our first project. So to do that, we can do Django admin start project. Can call our project first let's just name first project underscore project. Good. You can see we have created our project here. So to run our project, I need to cd into the first project folder, ls. You can see we have our project folder and the manage.py, which manages our Django project. So to run our project, I'm going to run Python manage.py run server, and our Django project is now running on this URL 127.0.0.1 on the port 8000. So you can right click or copy it to the browser. So I'm going to right click and run it in my browser. So you can see our project is running successfully. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you may receive more videos from this channel as we continue. Thank you guys. See you in the next.